Consider a database that has a relation schema CR, student name, course name. An instance of the schema CR is given below. The following query is made on the DB. T1 phi of course name sigma student name equals SA from CR, and T2 is CR divided by T1. The number of rows in T2 is. So this is a question from relational algebra in DBMS. If you don't understand these notations like pi, sigma and all, and also database division, please refer to the video lectures from DBMS section for these. So we'll try to see what this is. T1 gives selection of student name equal to SA from CR, and it's projecting on course name, meaning that it will select all the tuples in CR where student name equal to SA, and from that table it will give this column course name only. So this query will give us these three rows SA, SA, SA and course name, and selecting only course name will give this much part, meaning T1 is this course name C, A, B, C, and then we need to find out T2, which is CR, that table divided by this table. So database division, here CR is divided with T1, which means that CR divided by T1 would mean all the student names in CR that has a row associated with every course names in T1. So when we are doing that table divided by this table has only this column course name. So when we are dividing this by this, it will mean all these values, that is student name column, all the student names which has a row associated with each of the rows in this table, meaning each student name that's associated with all CA, CB and CC. So let us look which all student names are there. SA has a row with CA, SA, CB, SA, CC is there. So SA we can take CR divided by T1. This is the table student name. So SA is associated with CA, CB and CC, all three. So we can write SA. SB has a row with CB and CC only. SB doesn't have a row with CA, so we can't take SB there. SC has a row with CA, CB and CC, so we can take SC here. SD has a row with CB, CC, CD. It doesn't have a row with CA, so SD we can't take. SE has a row with CA and CB. Oh, actually I made a mistake. SD had a row with CA also, so we can actually take SD, SD, CA, SD, CB, SD, CC. So SD we can take. SE, no, it has only row with CA and B, it doesn't have a row with CC. SF has row with CA, CB and CC, so SF also we can take. So this database has 4 rows. The question was the number of rows in T2. So the answer is 4.